In today's video, I'll show you how to get Figma Dev Mode features for free and make your design to development workflow much easier. If you work with Figma and often need code, styles, or layout details, this method can be a real game changer. First, open your design file in Figma and make sure the project you want to inspect is already loaded. Take a quick look around so you're comfortable with the layout and layers because you'll be selecting elements directly from the canvas. Next, go to the bottom toolbar or the main menu and open Plugins and Widgets. This is where Figma stores all extra tools that extend its functionality beyond basic design. In the search bar, type Inspect Styles. This plugin acts as an alternative to Figma Dev Mode by letting you inspect elements and view their code-related details. Once you find the plugin, click on it to run it. When the Inspect Styles panel opens, select any layer, text, button, or component from your design. As soon as you select it, the plugin will display detailed information such as CSS properties, colors, font sizes, spacing, and other useful style data. This allows developers to copy styles and understand the design structure without needing paid Dev Mode access. It's especially useful for small teams, freelancers, or anyone working on a tight budget. By using this method, you can inspect designs, extract style information, and speed up development without spending anything extra. That's how you get Figma Dev Mode-like features for free. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!